Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word paralyze. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After the car accident, Maria was left paralyzed from the waist down. Paralyze means to make someone unable to move or act normally due to injury, shock, or fear, rendering them immobile or incapacitated in some way. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.